morning. Well, it's actually afternoon. We just arrived at Auckland, and later on today I'm actually doing some test drive and review on Jackson's car. I'm gonna do some rollers and some instant 360 cam for later on today and see how it goes. As you can see, I got Jackson's car down here, which is a Memo Racing. Got my GoPro here, charging up my instant 360, my phone, my laptop down there. Yeah, see how it goes. We're just pretty much waiting for the traffic to die down before started driving again. And I did some videos of it earlier. I'll show you in the footage right now. Alright, what have you been ready for? Driving a Sylvia right now. Oh no, I'm just kidding. We're actually gonna drive it now. Just me, or it feels weird just walking into a hotel with a steering wheel to walk to the car, which is this one over here. It's a very nice car though. Whoop. I really want to buy this car, I'm not gonna lie. But for now, well, I'm just gonna enjoy it. Get the keys down here. Now, basically this car is a bit different from a normal S15. Obviously it has this thingamajiggy down here that you actually need to hook it down here. So what you did, just put it down there. That's it. Alright, it's time to turn it on. Alright, I think for today's video we're going to, well, we're actually just gonna go for a drive, see how it feels and everything. Might just end up going to the highway for most of it, and I'm gonna use my instant 360 cam for most of the videos, because, well, you can't really drive and using the cam, can you? So we're going to instant 360 cam now. Alright, now that we're on 360 cam, I don't know if I'm going to use sunglasses or not, but we're just going for a quick drive and back. But this this adjustees or suspension is actually quite soft than any other adjustees that I've driven. Like my old S15 is quite stiff, to be honest. At the moment I'm just having a feel of it, because later on today we're about to go to the highway soon, so see how that goes. I'm not gonna give it a full beam or full boost because I don't own this car, because it's Jackson's Louis' car. I'll give him the link in the description for the car, but at the moment I just want to have a feel of it and see how it goes on the highway, because most of the time I'm gonna end up in the highway anyway for this car. And that is just a quick boost. Oh my god. Oh, Jackson, you're a monster, bro. Holy hell. Oh, this is such a fun car. Oh my god. Downshift. Oh, is that a cop? Oh shit! Oh, this is so fun car. Oh, I'm gonna get a travel for this car. Holy shit! This is such a nice car. Fill it up with a full tank. Oh, I need to go right here. You guys ready for this? And that's just low boost. Oh my god! Whoa, I'm fishtailing, and I'm not even lying right now. Alright, we're going back to the hotel now. This is my first time driving in Auckland alone, and I pretty much don't know where to go, to be honest. So if you guys are in Auckland, just put in the comment section and tell me where the best place to go here. We did went to the tunnel, if you guys know that one. But other than that, I don't know where to go, to be honest. Oh man, I want this car so bad. It just made me miss my old Silver, to be honest. So much. Oh man. So in horsepower, I think this car has, and Lobus has 360 horsepower in Lobus, and I'd say around 500 horsepower in high boost, which to be honest is pretty insane though if you think about it. Like my old Sylvia has a 360 horsepower, and that car doesn't have a low boost or high boost, unfortunately. Then I sold that car to Connor, and I bought a GTR, which bone stock, pretty bone stock to be honest, and I got no choice. So did some horsepower for it. I think it's running on 350 horsepower at the wheel now. Oh no, that's a bit bright right now. And it's actually pretty good. But I don't really want to put too much money on the car, because I'm planning it to make it just a short car rather than a what's the word for that one? A track car. That's bloody hot right now. Oh my god. This car is just amazing. I'm not even lying. Like, the fact that I'm on low boost. Oh, sorry, I'm just looking at the BMW. I was on low boost and it was pulling. It was like fishtailing. Damn, that BMW sounds good. And I was like, damn, I'm not even doing full throttle. I'm just tapping the gas or like the accelerator, and it's just doing like sway on it. And I was like, Jesus, this car has too much horsepower. But yeah, I mean, I might buy it, but see how it goes. Alright, back from the hotel, and pretty tired right now. It's 10:39. 10:39, and need to take a rest for tomorrow's trip because we're going up to Hampton's down, and yeah, Nissan Sylvia again, and yeah, I'm just very exhausted right now. So day 1 is done, day 2 tomorrow. Good morning. Today we're off to Hampton's down for 4 rotaries. Literally just woke up. Jackson's gonna pick me up for, and I'm gonna go for an hour drive to Hampton's and see how it goes for the day. Now, I just want to add something to that one. When Jackson picked me up on the hotel to go to 4 rotaries, I completely forgot to video our trip going up there due to me being the first time going up there to Auckland and not knowing where to go, and I'm the one who's driving, so I'm pretty much just focusing on the road, navigating the GPS and everything. But I do have some couple of clips from Instagram, so if you want to go to Instagram and just watch my highlights, you will see it down there. But I do apologize for not doing any vlogs, doing any videos on 4 rotaries Hampton's Downs car event, but I do have a video after the 4 rotaries, so there's some clips after the 4 rotaries. Alright, good evening everybody. Oh man, ready to shit right now. Pretty much going back to Jack's place to return the Sylvia S15, just this one. But it's not looking nice, so I'm just gonna take it easy in the road. Alright, I'll just put you guys down there for a while I'll set up everything down here. So this is probably like the last drive I'm gonna have for this car, the S15. Now the reason why I'm doing like a review and test drive of this car is back before I got the GTR, I used to own a Nissan Sylvia S15 with an SR20 dead on it, and ever since I sold that one to buy the GTR, which is an R32 GTR, for me, like the fun is not there anymore, which quite sucks for me. So I asked Jack for, well, pretty much to drive this car. It's not really for sale, but I really want to have a test drive of it, if I like it or not, and see how it goes on that one. I actually really like this car. Warm up this car, and I'll see you guys in the camera 360. Hello, what and all. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is my YouTube. The moment we're just warming up the car, we're about to go to Jack's place to return this car. We're gonna go for a drive. The car should be nice and warm now. Right now, this is pretty much the final drive for the S15, which is pretty sad to be honest, but I mean, I need to go back tomorrow. Yeah, I'm pretty sad that I'm going home to South Island now, which I don't mind, to be honest. Traction there. That is f***ing For me, I think it's just too much horsepower. The suspension's it's very soft though. I actually like it. And I'm gonna cut you guys off here because I don't want to see Jackson's house down here. So I'll see you guys when I go home to the hotel. Check this out, guys. Just came back from a burger field to grab some food. Look at that. That's huge. Good morning. It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning right now. And I am pretty much going home to Timur. And pretty tired right now. I'm gonna go see how it goes today. Alright. One last drive on the S15 before pretty much going home now. I'm very tired. And just like that, just got home from Auckland. Sorry I didn't take a lot of videos at the airport. Well, I did take a couple of videos on my phone, but it's not that good of quality. But yeah, take note, never book a flight in the morning, because I had to be at the airport just before 7 because I need to buy something else at the airport and everything else. So yeah, I got a couple of videos on my GoPro, well not GoPro, Insta360. So see how that goes. But right now I'm gonna unpack, and yeah, I'll probably see you guys on the next video. On the next video, I'll probably do some videos on my GTR. Probably do some review on it and everything like that. And stay tuned, because I'm going somewhere else, like end of February. I'm gonna go for a track day somewhere else, so stay tuned for that one. But for now, this video's end.